Yeah, man. We gotta find that end of the chain, man. See who she is. See who she ends. Good enough gas in here?
Oh yeah, that's full.
So that machine's full too then?
Yeah, everything's full. Nice stones. We're gonna need quite a bit of fill, but we can dig from over there too, right? Get your teeth down. Your teeth are way high. You gotta go like this. Dig in with your teeth down. Way down. No, that's not flat. Down. Down. You're going flat. You gotta get under it. Dean, wiggle the bucket as you're pushing forward. So, like, if this is the ground, put your bucket like this, not this, like this, and go like this. Pump it. It'll lift the stuff up.
Like that?
Yeah, there you go. Pump it. Drive, pump, pump. Work it in, yeah, as you're driving forward. Sometimes there's just stuff in your way, but that's a good technique to get under any kind of dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, try and move that. You should let your dad sit up here for a bit.
He has bad hips, eh? Wouldn't be good for his hips, probably, would it?
Probably not.
You want him to drive the Bobcat? I'm good. You take it. I just want to get a couple like this. Come on to get good ones.